Good morning students, this is me Yasmin from the Wisdom School Sirsa is here to teach you chapter number 2 which is subject and predicate. So today class 5 we are going to do chapter number 2 which is subject and predicate. Okay, so we are talking about subject and predicate which are, I'll tell you what is subject and what is predicate. See, if Mona is completing her home. With the help of this example, you will be able to understand clearly actually what are subjects and what are predicate. So, subject means who is doing the action. Subject is the person, animal, place who is doing the action. It is basically called as doer of the action. काम को करने वाला subject होता है. Okay? Subject is the doer of action. So Mona is the subject because she is doing work. Which work she is doing is predicate. Predicate states the predicate says the information about the sentence. Predicate states the information of the sentence. सेंटेंस के बारे में जो इंफॉर्मेशन बताता है और प्रेडिकेट ऑल्सो स्टेट्स दैट व्हाट एक्चुअली द सब्जेक्ट इज परफॉर्मिंग. सब्जेक्ट क्या कर रहा है, टेल्स अस अबाउट द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द सेंटेंस. प्रेडिकेट टेल्स अस अबाउट द सेंटेंस. If we are in a sentence, if we are talking about person or a thing, if we are talking about person or a thing, then it will be subject. And if we are saying that what is said about that subject, actually what is told about the subject is predicate. Whatever we are saying about the subject is predicate. Okay, it's clear. Have you all clear that what is subject and what is predicate? Yes, so subject is doer of the action and predicate is subject is doer of the action and predicate is what tells us about the information of the sentence. So basically sentence is divided into two parts. Let's recall sentence is divided into two parts which are subject and predicate. So in a sentence in a single sentence there are two parts which is subject and predicate. So subject is doer of the action. What the action is performed is predicate. Subject is doer of the action. Who is performing the action, who is doing the work is subject, and predicate states the information. It states that about what we are talking about subject. Subject के बारे में हम क्या बात कर रहे हैं is predicate. So predicate states the information regarding the subject. Okay. Sentence two parts में divide होता है, subject and predicate. Subject is basically the doer of the action, who is doing the action, who is performing the action, and predicate is the information which is told about the, and predicate is the information about the subject, about the doer which is doing the action, who is doing the action. Predicate हमें information बताता है. So in this example, Mona is completing her homework. We have two words which is subject and predicate. So Mona is the subject because she is the one who is doing the homework. ये कौन है, काम को करने वाली है Mona. So she is the subject and is doing homework, is completing her homework is predicate because this group of words, these groups of words are telling us about the subject. Okay, it's clear. Have you understood what actually subject is and what is predicate? So if I'll give you some examples, so will you be able to differentiate about between subject and predicate? Okay, so here are some examples in front of you. See, I emailed a letter to my teacher. I emailed a letter to my teacher. मैंने एक लेटर मेल किया अपने टीचर को. So what is the subject over here? Tell me fast, what is the subject? Yes, I is the subject and rest all. Emailed a letter to my teacher is predicate. Pandit Nehru was a great leader. Second one is Pandit Nehru was a great leader. So we are talking about Pandit Nehru. Who is the person over here? Pandit Nehru, जिनके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. So he is a subject and was a great leader is predicate. Very good. Basically subjects are nouns or pronouns. Okay, subjects are basically nouns or pronouns. Okay, clear? Subjects basically nouns or pronouns ही होते हैं because these are the naming words. Nouns and pronouns are used at the place of naming words. Clear? So here more examples are there. Okay, you will be able to differentiate between subject and predicate easily now. So do this exercise. Exercise A, B, C and D. Exercise A, B, C and D. What you have to do in exercise A is you have to divide sentence into two parts, which is subject and predicate. In exercise B, what you have to do is subjects are given and you have to place any predicate. You have to place few words to complete the sentence to make it a meaningful sentence. Okay. In exercise 3, you have to add subject over the predicate. Predicate के साथ subject add करना है. And in D, you have to match subject and predicate in a proper order. Clear? Is it clear to all? Subjects, predicate सबको समझ आ गए? Okay, I hope you'll find it easy and you'll do your work. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.